Okay, so for pearl we have here our stitches, our casting on, and then we'll do our purl stitch. For the purl stitch, before we was doing for knit like this, and now we will do opposite. So you just need to take this left hand needle, and we have here on my right hand needle, just insert your needle to this stitch. If you see, this is the first stitch, so bring to the front, to front side, and just towards down, and then take your yarn and wrap around the right hand needle on the right hand needle, and then push with your this finger, push little bit, and just this will goes like this to back, and then release your stitch from the left hand needle like this, and then again now next stitch, insert your needle to the front, and then wrap the yarn, and then push with this finger towards, and then this will go to the back and release this stitch from this needle. Okay, now next stitch, wrap yarn, push to the towards back, and then release this yarn. Same again next, like this. Then next stitch, so just keep going on. Okay, it's finished, and now we have all the stitches on my right hand needle, and left hand needle is empty. Now we will switch our needles and bring this to the right hand, and this will goes to the left hand. Now same process we will do exactly. Take this yarn to front side, and a right hand needle insert your this one, and always we just first needle, first stitch, we just take like this. We don't do anything with the first needle, first stitch, and then insert your second one, wrap yarn, and just like this, and then again wrap yarn, push little bit, release the stitch, again wrap the yarn, push little bit towards, and then like this, and then release this stitch from the left hand, and then again same process, just keep going on. Finished. And now we have all the stitches on my right hand, and the left hand needle is empty, so switch your needles. This will goes to the right hand empty one, and left one it's stitches. Now again same process, take this stitch just like this, and the next stitch, wrap your yarn, release stitch from the left hand one, and then so here, then next switch your needles, and then take this like this, and then next stitch, So here, this is our stitches. Actually this looks same as like knit stitch, but the way is different how we knit this here.